Another application. We talked very briefly about if we could tailor chemistry, if we could tailor crystalline phase assemblage, and if we could put stuff on the surface, which we show we can, we might be able to use these as in situ catalytic substrates or catalysts themselves for treatment of frac fluids without having to treat frac fluid at the surface or treat it in a different way at the surface. Things like barium and strontium and so on are bad things down there. Wouldn't it be nice to capture it down there and leave it there? Okay? And then we have a huge coal industry in Pennsylvania and West Virginia. And there's a technology known as heavy media separation, whereby when you grind your coal to use it as fuel in a power plant, you want to separate out certain species that are in that ground coal. It's not all coal, right? Some of it might be iron sulfide, for example, okay, pyrite. So by mixing that slurry that's just been ground with a heavy media, you can float certain things and settle certain things and take what you want from where. Right? Heavy media separation technology requires a very, very well tailored specific gravity spherical particle. We can do that. All right? And likewise in mineral processing, the same approach for heavy media separation. So, in summary, if I had to say this, I'd say, so here's an industry that's begging for new manufacturing capacity, additional availability of material. It's absolutely required to develop the Marcellus Shale. We're not going to get around the need for proppants. All right? Pennsylvania is very, very well poised to be a manufacturing site because it has the raw materials, it has the manufacturing infrastructure, the transportation infrastructure, and it has Penn State that has been doing this stuff for a whole variety of other applications for well over 70 years. And if you look at some of the phase diagrams I use in my work here, they were done in the 40s. Okay? There's interesting material science to be done, and there's a ton of engineering to be done with it. And it's a pretty exciting time for some of us. That's probably been more than the time I had allotted in it.
That's fine. Join me in thanking Dr.